Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your business study class. Students, today I will teach you the functions of marketing of chapter number 29 on page number 125. Okay, students, so there are number of functions which are performed under marketing process. Okay, so as you know that marketing is a business activity which have to be performed to increase the sales of the business. Okay, students, so the functions of marketing, the first function is gathering and analyzing market information, market planning, product designing and development, standardization and grading, packaging and labeling, branding, customer support services, pricing of product, promotion, physical distribution, transportation, storage or warehousing. So all these functions must be performed sequence wise, okay, to increase the sales of the business. Okay, students, and also customer satisfaction is very important. So marketing is concerned with exchange of goods and services from producer to the users. So first function is gathering and analyzing market information. The market begins with the research conducted by the marketer. The marketer first conducted a research that what consumer want to buy, what they are liking, they are disliking, what quantity they buy, and what price they are ready to pay for the particular product. So every information is gathered in this step. Okay, students, so the marketer or the seller or the producer or the manufacturer first gather information regarding the liking and disliking of a customer. After that he will decide to produce the product. Next is marketing planning. So marketing planning, after conducting market research, so market research is conducted at what consumer want to buy and what they are liking, disliking, what price they are ready to pay for a particular product. So after that marketing planning is done. So marketing planning means planning is done for producing a product also, and also to increase the growth of the business, to improve the growth of the business. For example, a company has a market in a share of 10%. A company has market 10% is market share, and company want to enhance his market share to 20% in the next 3 years. So he will have to develop complete marketing plan covering various important aspects, including the plan of increasing the level of production, promotion of the product, and etc., and specify the action program to achieve these objectives. So market planning is done to improving the sales also, and to increase the market share of the company. Next is product designing and development. Every marketer offer a product or a service to customer, but what product or service has been to be offered must be planned. Okay, the planning part includes decisions like what should be the quality standard used in product, what shape or design would be used, what type of packing, how many models, how it can be made better than the competitor's product. For all these decisions, proper product planning is done by the marketer. For example, if a marketer is dealing in a refrigerator, okay, so then in product planning, what they do, they decide the quality standards, that what quality should be maintained, and it should be consistent for a number of years. Size of refrigerators, the color, design, technology of refrigerator. So these are the things that should be planned while product is designed, and these designs or qualities should be developed time to time. Okay, next is standardization and grading. Standardization means maintaining quality standards, because customer is attached to a particular seller due to the quality of the product. If there is a little change in the quality, the customer cannot compromise with it. Okay, so he can shift to the other seller. So quality should be maintained. So standardization means maintain the quality standards, or a uniformity in the product means no change in it. So standardization provide quality assurance and consistency to consumer. So consumers are assured about the quality of product and packaging. Grading means classifying the product on the basis, okay, on some basis. So grading is generally used in agriculture product, for example wheat, rice, pulses, etc. Next is packaging and labeling. Packaging is also called the silent salesman of the business. Okay, so product is always supplied to the customer, is packed in the form of packaging, refer to designing of packet wrappers, cartons. So number of options are available to package the product. Okay, so package is also helpful to handling the product, to transport the product from one place to another place without any defect, without any risk. Okay students, so packaging must be safe, attractive, so that customer can attract toward it. Labeling means, labeling include the all description of the product. Okay, like if we are seeing that label on a medicine, in that the expiry date is given, the address of the manufacturer, the etc number of things are given on the labeling. Sixth is branding. Branding means giving a special name to the product. The first thing we should consider while branding a product is that brand must be short, attract and memorable. Okay students, so companies may decide to sell the product in company's name, or they give another name for the product. Okay, another name is also called brand. For example, Sony, BPL, etc. are the company's name, and they can sell the product on the name of the company. But company's name as a brand name, whereas Airtel, Tide are the brand name of the product. So special brand name is selected by the company also. The brand name must be selected very carefully, as the customer's loyalty depends upon the brand name. Next is customer support services. So in marketing process, customer support services are provided like after sales service, handling customer complaint, maintenance services, consumer information, technical services. All these services are provided so that your customer become your permanent customer. Pricing product, pricing should be reasonable. Do not charge too high price from customer, because customers are very price sensitive, and little variation in price can make your customer to your competitor's customer. So product promotion and selling. When production is done, next process is to sell the products. For selling the product, the information regarding the product must be communicated to the customer. So this communication can be done with the advertisement, sale, promotion, personal selling and publicity. Physical distribution. The another important function of marketing manager is to making plans regarding the distribution or services, that how goods are can deliver to the customer. So physical distribution include decisions like choice of channel of distribution, maintaining inventory, storage, warehouses, etc. Next is transportation. So transportation include, so goods are not necessarily consumed at the same time when they are produced. So there is a time lag between the production and consumption. Okay, so to cover this place gap, the marketer make your various mode of transport so that goods can be transferred to the customers to the each corner of the countries. Storage or warehousing. So there is also time lag between the consumption and production and consumption. So it is necessary to keep the goods from in a safe place to protect the goods from moisture, insect, rodents, thefts, etc. So marketers often maintain their own warehouses or warehouses to store the product, and they make use of public warehouses also, so that keep the goods safe and fresh till they can be demanded in the market.